All right, so let's say you're looking for a refreshing grown-up treat for the 4th of July. Check out this recipe for Boozy Patriotic Pops from our partners at Better Homes and Gardens.
Begin with ice molds and prep the red layer first. Add a 1/4 cup of seltzer water. Then add 1 tablespoon of plain vodka, followed by 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Next, 2 tablespoons of cherry juice and stir it all together. Fill the ice molds about 1/3 full. Plan to freeze for 2 hours. Now for the white layer. Pour in a 1/4 cup of seltzer water, then add 1 tablespoon of vodka, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Stir it up. Now fill up the next third of the mold. Freeze again for 2 hours. For the final blue layer, you need a 1/4 cup of seltzer. Add 1 tablespoon of vodka, 2 tablespoons of blue curacao, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Mix together. Now fill the last third of the mold. Freeze for 2 hours or overnight. And don't forget the pop sticks.